In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Tasks in a separate window. Whether you're a busy professional trying to streamline your productivity tools, or simply someone who loves keeping their digital workspace tidy, this guide is tailored for you. Let's dive into the steps to achieve a more organized and efficient way to handle your tasks. First, let's start with the basics, navigating to Google. This might seem straightforward, but it's the essential first step to access all the Google services, including tasks. Once you're there, the goal is to access your specific Google account. So the next thing you want to do is to click on the Sign In button. This should be easily found on the upper right corner of the Google homepage. After clicking on Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to type in the email associated with the Google account you want to use. It's important to note here that if you have multiple Google accounts, you'll need to choose the one where your tasks are saved or the one you want to use for managing your tasks moving forward. Following the email entry, the next step is inputting your password. This is a crucial step for security, so take your time to ensure you enter your password correctly. If you've forgotten it, don't worry. Google provides options to help you recover or reset your password. After entering your password, you'll need to click on Next to proceed. This action confirms your credentials and takes you deeper into your Google account services. Successfully signing in brings you one step closer to accessing Google Tasks in the way you prefer. Now, with access to your Google account, it's time to head over to the Google dashboard. Here you'll find an array of Google services and applications associated with your account. It's like the command center for all things Google in your digital life. The next action involves a bit of navigation. Look for the waffle icon, Google's app launcher. That's usually located at the top right corner next to your account avatar. Click on it, and among the various app icons displayed, you'll find and click on Calendar. This step might seem a bit indirect, but it's a necessary path since Google Tasks is tightly integrated with Google Calendar. Upon opening Google Calendar, the next thing you want to do is open the Google Tasks panel. If you're unfamiliar with the layout, the Tasks panel can usually be found on the right side of your Google Calendar view. This panel is your gateway to managing tasks, adding, editing, and viewing your to-dos right next to your calendar events. Now here comes the part that you've been waiting for, detaching this tasks panel to its own window. If available, you'll see an option to open in new window. It's important to note, however, that this feature might not be natively available across all browsers. If you're not seeing this option, don't be discouraged. There are workarounds and third-party extensions or tools to help achieve a similar setup. Choosing to open tasks in a new window allows you to drag this separate window wherever you find it convenient on your screen. This can be particularly useful if you have a multi-monitor setup, or if you like keeping your task list visible at all times while working on other projects. Remember, the availability of opening Google Tasks in a separate window directly might vary based on your browser, or the specific configurations of your Google account and the devices you are using. And there you have it, a straightforward yet effective guide to opening Google Tasks in its own window, enhancing your productivity and helping you manage your tasks more effectively. With these steps, you should now have a clearer understanding and a practical way of organizing your tasks separate from other Google services, making it easier to focus and keep track of your daily to-dos without the need to constantly switch between tabs or windows. That's all for today's tutorial. Whether you're streamlining your workflow, decluttering your digital workspace, or simply looking for a more efficient way to manage your tasks, I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy tasking, and stay tuned for more productivity tips and tricks.